Once you have created a BigCommerce store that sells electronic items, appliances, or gadgets, your customers need peace of mind and comfort that their investment is sound. It's time to get more buyers, more sales, and a better reputation for your store. And you can give them all that and a lot more with CPS Extended Warranty. Upsell for BigCommerce. Superior warranty protection for total peace of mind. CPS covers 60-plus product categories, anything that plugs in or takes a battery, as well as furniture, jewelry, glasses, watches, and much, much more. How? All you have to do is install the application, fill out your company profile, wait 24 hours for our product mapping, show off your products and their warranties, and start adding revenue ASAP. With extended warranties, accidental warranties, in-home warranties, and replacement warranties, you can ensure buyers that you stand by your products and that they can rely on you to deliver superior quality. Our app will automatically display the available warranties to the customer on the product page. The customer can simply add the product and the warranty to the cart at the same time. Once the purchase is completed, the app submits the warranty order with CPS, and we send an email to the customer with their warranty details. So, what are you waiting for? Start selling warranties immediately. No sign-up costs, no fees, no minimum orders. Make your BigCommerce store's customers feel happy and secure, and earn 100% profit on the warranty sale with the CPS Extended Warranty Upsell app. Do what's best for your customers. Choose CPS as your warranty provider. Click Get This app on the CPS Extended Warranty Upsell app listing via the BigCommerce Apps Marketplace.